baby girl, I know that you are still thinking about me. That's why today I'm just chilling alone. I need you. I know that you are injured. Let's do love together. Yeah, putting my love on the secret, cause I don't wanna people to harm you. You are mine. I know that the jealous is everywhere. Let's put it anywhere, cause you are my love. Today I give you my heart, cause I feel good around you. That's why I'm still recording. Ain't not stopping. I just wanna finish my business, then I spend the time with you, baby girl. Give me more time, tryna understand that I'm crying for you. Where are you? It been days no see. You are my baby girl. I know that you are still thinking about me. I know that you're still thinking about me. That's why I'm chilling. That's why I'm thinking about you too. I love you. I hope you love me too. Even though you cannot look into my eyes, but my love is on you, baby girl. You are a what, like I said before, gonna make it colors, kids. I don't give a damn what the people they say, cause you are mine. They better hate us, but I will never leave you. Cause this love is strong like an element. Yeah, this is our moment. Let's rejoice like a government. Cause some of a nigga they don't have the same. But the baby girl, I love you so much. I'm gonna marry you. I'm gonna put a ring on your finger like I said before. I'm still looking and more, cause I cannot take it anymore. Know that you are still thinking about me. That's why I'm thinking. That's why I'm chilling. I want you, baby girl. Let's be together. Nobody can harm you. Just be protected. Just relax. We are under security. Let's rejoice our love and make kiss. I don't give a damn what they say, cause they gonna die one day. Me too, I'm gonna die. Yes, goes the kid. Listen.